Hello! Welcome to another day with Aaron! Today, meron tayong two events na pupuntahan. Actually, yung first is Device Cosmetics at MOA Beautyverse here in SM Mall of Asia. Of course, with Rue na lagi kong kasama yan talaga, oo. This is for the Vice Cosmetics Tinted Fling, ang kanilang bagong-bagong lip products na super nourishing tinted lip serum. Onting showcase muna sa kanilang booth and I think this booth is nakita ko rin sa SM Makati. After that, kumain kami sa aking favorite Thai resto, the Khao Kai, and we stayed there para gawin ang aming makeup after kumain. Kahit weekends at maraming tao, I'm so glad na hindi kami pinaalis ng mga staffs and we are able to finish our makeup and nakapagpalit na rin kami ng damit for our second event. And after that, nag-book na kami going to our second event, which is the Careline Lip Drip launch party in Bake Studios. So kung kanina nakapink ako, ngayon naman naka-blue ako kasi ang atake nito is like blue ocean water, ganon. Of course, onting aura-aura lang sa kanilang lip product. This is their lip oils na nourishing and merong hydrating power. Ganon yung atake niya. And performance from our drag queen Matilda and Bella Fox. Two events in the one day. Grabe, medyo nakakapagod yun, but I think it's worth it. And yes, minsan lang natin to ma-experience, so let's enjoy. And that's it for this vlog. I'll see you again on my next one. Bye!